In this instructional video, we will provide guidance on how to replace the blood pressure cuff. Ensure Harvey is off, disconnect the power cable, locate and disconnect the sphygmomanometer's bulb and tubes. Raise Harvey following the steps indicated in the guide. Align the new cuff so that the arrow is in line with the brachial artery and tighten from the back. Note the lettering on the cuff will be upside down. Lower and secure Harvey. Reattach the bulb and clear tubing. And follow the steps indicated in the guide, calibrating the blood pressure.